Present by Joana Ramos Villadiego. Good morning. I introduce myself. Nice to meet you. My name is Joana Ramos Villadiego. I am 29 years old. I have brown skin, a color and hair like the sun. I am short and I am a student of public outing. My favorite people are my hair, Isabella, with a hat of 3 years, white skin, black hair, and red lips. My mother, Rosa, with 70 years of age, brown skin and silver hair like the moon. My father, with 17 years of age, brown skin like coffee, and blue eyes like the sky. My husband, Manuel, 29 years old, white skin, black hair, and beautiful hands. Thank you, teacher.